FG98DG Digital Multimeter Fasano Tools is a universal measuring instrument, particularly suitable for professionals as it allows accurate electrical measurements. It allows to calculate quantities in millesimal units and has a sampling rate of up to 3 times per second. In addition, its overvoltage categories 4 at 600 volts and 3 at 1000 volts are suitable for a wide range of applications, including use on electric cars. The FG98DG multimeter has an insulation class 2. It is capable of storing data from previously taken measurements. It features a backlit LCD display and an auto power-off function after 15 minutes of non-use. The top LED light illuminates the working area. It is equipped with a removable support base to ensure the greatest possible comfort during measurements. Supplied with tips, thermal probe, and on the back, tips compartments. Is powered by one 9-volt battery, Type 6F22. It can detect both DC voltage up to 1000 volts and AC voltage up to 750 volts, with a resolution of 0.1 millivolt. It can also measure both DC and AC current up to 10 ampere, with a resolution of 0.1 microampere. In detecting resistance, the instrument reaches readings of up to 60 megohms, with a resolution of 0.10. Capacitance can be detected up to 6000 microfarads, with an accuracy of 0.01 nanofarad. It can detect temperature, both in Celsius and Fahrenheit degrees, with a resolution from 1 degree. Finally, the multimeter can detect frequency up to 100 kHz, with 0.001 Hz accuracy, and can perform continuity test and diode test. The versatility of FG98DG multimeter allows it to be used in a lot of fields of applications, from electrical engineering to industry, till automotive. Fasano Tools multimeters offer quick and easy measurement with high levels of accuracy, and are suitable for all types of requirements and professions.